Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to discuss about Archangel's very first feature ad that has been given to the token altogether, uh, or rather, should I say, the second feature came in before the first. Yes, we are going to discuss about the the Binance cross chain, wherein you would be able to use BNB to go ahead and purchase Archangel token on ERC platform. All right, so a couple of points that you need to note and how the procedure works. I'll run you through the entire process on how it works, and as well as we are going to have a quick discussion on the price action as well with Archangel token. So before we start, guys, this is Mr. Aslan. Crypto education is my passion, and this is not financial advice, or I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before you get into any token out there in the crypto space, and be wary of scams, guys. Do check out my educational content section under Crypto Wisdom to know more about scams and know more or learn more about cryptocurrencies in general. Having said that, let's jump in right at what we want to look at. So on the website, if you could just run through all the way down, where did that go? Oops, yeah, here you go. Now, wherever you have the Ethereum contract address available on the website, you just have this picture quickly put out on Binance Smart Chain Archangel token, right? So they say that they are proud to present the cross chain solution with MetaMask. Click on the image to swap your BNB or Polygon assets. Now, two networks are provided for now. Again, it's just a start for now. More to come in the near future. So Polygon assets to your ERC20 ARCA token. Additional solutions with Trust Wallet and Coinbase Wallet will be developed with our partners based on feedback we receive from our Archangel community. Now, quickly running through the number of holders for Archangel, it has seen a jump. We have crossed the 2,100 mark, 200 mark. Yeah, it's around 2,300 holders right now for Archangel token, guys. And the burn percentage is at around 47.1. That's good to see as well. And a lot of marketing activities also have, geared up, and probably they're also putting in a lot of effort to bring in more feature additions as well as work on the Epic platform that they have planned. That has started already. The first Epic also has started from their side. So good to see on the sidelines. The feature additions keep happening on one portion or one side of the track, and on another side simultaneously we have these epics or the long term projects that they want to build up. And trust me, guys, these long term projects are really good, and they would have their own native token in the ecosystem of Archangel. And if you are a Archangel token owner, be proud about it. Trust me, be proud about it. You will be thanking me or anyone who would have referred you to Archangel in the coming next 1 or 2 years. Again, terms and conditions apply if all goes well and they stick to what they have actually promised to deliver. And I'm pretty much confident that the team is very well equipped and would definitely deliver, because this is the proof, right? This is the proof for their deliverance. Because if you come back and check all their feature details, the first and foremost feature that they were supposed to come out in 3 months duration, guys, it's 3 months duration, was the staking portion of Archangel. They were supposed to come out with a staking pool and a staking mechanism where you would be able to earn rewards not only in Arca alone, but in any other token that would be part of the Archangel ecosystem. You want to know more about it? Please go ahead in my playlist of new projects, and you will be able to find a video on Archangel regarding distribution of value. I'll also link it to the I button over here so that it's easier for you to access. But please do check that out. It's very, very beautiful. The concept is really nice, and that would be a truly generational wealth generation, wealth accumulating system, in fact, right? So it's really, really nice. Just go check that out, and for more details on that in that video. Having said that, guys, so let's quickly move on to the price point. Now, where did my coin market cap go? Too many tabs, I'm sorry for that. Right, I was checking Ryoshi's vision. By the way, I'll also be coming out with a video very shortly on Ryoshi's vision too. So please do subscribe to my channel, and so that you would be getting a notification if you again click on the bell icon, or be subscribed, and please do watch my other content as well, guys. So quickly coming down to Archangel. All right, so here we are, down by 10% or 11%. Should I be worried? Absolutely not. Just look at the 7-day chart, guys, and then you tell me about anyone who should be worried about it. So the market cap is good. It's around 73 million or 64 million right now, based on the dip that we see, and it's really okay. If you ask me, it's really okay. Do not panic, especially those who have bought in these areas, the highs. Please do not panic. There is still a lot more to come. This is just the beginning, and trust me on that. Any new token that comes out, guys, people go into either the FOMO mode or the panic sell mode. Please do not do that. I'm also planning to come out with certain educational videos on FUD, how to handle it, how to use it to your advantage. I'm also planning to come on when you have to FOMO to a project, when you need to hold yourself back, and when you need to ideally check for proper entry points. So I'm gathering certain materials. I'll definitely come out with a video for you guys on that, and that would definitely help in understanding how you need to deal with these kind of situations. Any project that you want to get into on a longer term, please do not look at the price for the first 3 to 4 months. Trust me on that. You would be happy with this advice. Again, your own decision, but just a suggestion from my side. So you could definitely take it or leave it, but trust me, you would be happy at the end of the day. Leave it for 3 months. Purchase the token at the price that you are happy about entering, and just leave it for 3 months. Let it run, but just follow the regular updates that are happening with the token, and ensure that you are putting your money in a trusted project out there. And if you ask me personally whether Archangel is a trusted project, I would definitely say yes, mainly because of the crew and the vision that they have behind the entire project and stuff. And trust me, guys, some of the developers over here are those who actually got rug pulled from Baby Saitama token. They are actually a little frustrated and fed up with all those rug pulls, and they are obviously feeling sad about it as well. So having said that, they established this Archangel token, and they are also part of the community for Archangel token. And trust me, those guys are the ones who are planning to uphold this particular project, because all those ideas, all those efforts that they had put in Baby Saitama token, they're utilizing it right now to build up Archangel token. And this is not a rug pull. Why? There are a lot many factors to it. You can just go ahead and check out my white paper review to know more about that as well. So having said that, guys, let's quickly jump on to the website back. And you want to know my price prediction? Well, if some people would like to know my price prediction, I wouldn't give any prediction to this. But by the end of, say, March next year, I think probably we would be seeing, cutting off a zero, we would be seeing somewhere close to around, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, and 5 or 6 thousand ish mark. That's what I believe. Again, it's very early to do any price predictions as such. There is a lot of volatility involved. There would be a little bit whale games that would be happening over here. Although there is certain restriction in terms of large amount of sells or buys, there would be a certain whale game happening. But as and when products keep rolling out from the project, we will definitely see a good amount of increase. And the community is building every single day, guys. It definitely takes some time to build, and once it's up and ready, you don't need to worry about it anymore. Now, having said that, this is what is the cross chain platform for Archangel. You, all you need to do is come down here to the website, click on this particular uh, image, and it will direct you to this page. Now what you have to, you will have to just use your MetaMask wallet, connect your wallet. I'll just quickly show you that. You just have it here, connect your wallet. It has MetaMask, Coinbase, and Wallet Connect. Now, I did check this out with Wallet Connect as well using my Trust wallet. It does connect. So you can definitely go ahead and check that. Coinbase wallet, I haven't personally tried, but you can just go ahead and check that as well. But for a safety reason, I would definitely recommend that you go ahead and use it as under MetaMask alone. So since it's easily linked to the browser, and it will be far more easier for you to utilize it. So having said that, guys, use your MetaMask. Your MetaMask pop-up comes in, just click on next, connect. But ensure that your MetaMask is set to Binance Smart Chain. If you do not know how to add Binance Smart Chain, please go ahead and check a local video on Google. Just Google it, guys. It's very simple. You have to just sign the transaction. I mean, not transaction. Sign the authorization to go ahead and connect your wallet. Once you are done, you will have to just go ahead and enter the value of BNB over here, and equivalent to that BNB value, you would be able to get the amount of Archangel tokens that you would be approximately receiving. Now there is a minimum that you will have to do. That's somewhere around 0.156 BNB. That's the minimum that you have. So that's, yeah, you have it here. Its minimum is 0.151 ish. It keeps varying, and I mean it should be somewhere around 75 to $80. That's the value that you're looking at. That's the minimum that they take, guys, and after which you would be able to equivalently get Archangel token. And yes, there is a certain amount of gas fees, but you do not need any other token because the gas fees will still be paid through BNB itself. Now, having said that, two things that you need to be careful about. First and foremost, ensure that the Archangel token would be a ERC20 token that would be sitting in your wallet. So once you complete this transaction over here, go back to your MetaMask wallet and change the actual chain or blockchain network to Ethereum to view the Archangel tokens. Do not panic if you just do not see that Archangel token value or in the Binance chain, because it's an ERC20 token. It will not reflect for you in the Binance chain. It will only go ahead and reflect in your normal Ethereum chain network. So you just need to change your network in MetaMask. You would be able to go ahead and see the token count. The second thing that you need to be worried about, or I mean careful about, not worried about, I'm sorry, careful about, is the gas fees. The gas fees here will be paid in your BNB. However, the gas fees does still depend on the Ethereum network value. So the equivalent of the gas fees would be taken up from BNB for you. So ensure that you keep checking the gas price on the Ethereum side, and ensure while you're doing this swap, because do it at the time the Ethereum gas fees is a little low. All right, so but the advantage here is that people who have BNB available in bulk, since they would have purchased it at lower quantities, and they would be able to go ahead and purchase Archangel token directly instead of going through the method of selling your BNB, converting it to USD or USDT, liquefying it, again getting back to MetaMask, again using that to purchase. All these transaction steps would be totally eliminated. So it's just a simple step. You have your BNB, say you have around 5 or 6 BNB available, you want to go ahead and purchase Archangel token, go ahead and put those across, and the fees that would be deducted would be something related to BNB itself. So you don't need to worry about purchasing Ethereum for gas fees. But however, it will be equivalent of that Ethereum gas fees at the time of this transaction. So please do check that out while you're doing this swap or the bridge change. All right. So having said that, I think it's pretty much clear for everyone in terms of understanding how this works. Please do let me know in the comment section below if you need any more help or support from my side. I would be happy to go ahead and do that for you in the comment section below. And please do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And if you need me to cover any specific point or topic related to crypto in general, or any other token that you want me to go ahead and have a quick review on, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll run through the token, and I would only be doing a review, guys, if I am totally convinced about the token. So I wouldn't be doing token reviews just for the sake of token reviews, but I should be convinced on token reviews to go ahead and do such thing, because all I want to give is proper legitimate information to all my viewers. Having said that, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Have fun.